Okay, we got our head all painted and highlighted, as you can see. So what we're going to do next is we want to put our eyes in. And these are the eyes we're going to use for this one. They're wood dowels, painted wood dowels. So what you want to do is get your eyes centered. You want to make them centered. The way to check them is hold the head above your head and realign them where they need to be. You'll have to do that a couple times once you pour your plaster in there. And we're using just plaster of Paris. So we're going to make it, add some water to it. You want to make it kind of pasty so it will go all the way around the eye and seed good. If it leaks out the outside, just when it dries, just take a small tool or something and chip it away, because it does tend to do that depending on how big your eye holes are. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe to my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. See, that's too soupy. So I have to add a little more. That's just about right. Now once you pour this in, then you've got a limited amount of time to make adjustments. So you want to hold that head above your eye, or above your head, and make sure that your eyes are centered, because you can adjust it while it's wet right after you pour it. But once it sets up, then you'd have to chip it all out and redo it if it doesn't set right. Okay, that's about the consistency we want. So we're going to drop it in on top of that eye here. Just make sure you get it all covered around that eye so it will glue in there for you. And once you get that in there like that, then what you want to do is you want to just tap the head. Make sure it seeds in there good and gets in all the cracks. So now what you're going to do is hold it above your head and make sure your eyes are still centered, which mine aren't. Most of the time they're not. You can make these adjustments while it's still wet before it has a chance to set up and dry. Keep checking that. That's looking pretty good. So now what we'll do is we'll just set it aside, give it a couple hours to dry, and then we can get the mouth and everything hooked back up. Thanks for watching.